Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.60. Watching 10 Google ads, you can earn over $16. And regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $2, over $5, and even over $7 every minute watching Google ads. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this brand new website where you can watch Google website ads and earn money watching them. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, this site has already paid over $200,000 to its users. They are secure, transparent, and they have a sustainable systems, and you can trust this website. So once you are here, you just want to click where it says sign up, then just create a username, create strong password, enter your email in these two boxes, check I am not a robot, check I agree to terms of service, and just click create account button. It's completely free to use this website, and you can use it from anywhere in the world. So you can be from USA, UK, Canada, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Philippines, or any country around the world, and you can still earn money with this website. But for our future videos, comment down the name of your country so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. So once you log into your account, they will show you an ad, and you have to wait until the timer hits 0. After that, it will show you two options, and you want to select continue to ptcshare, and it will take you to your dashboard. So the name of this website is ptcshare.com, and this is how your dashboard will look like. Here you can see some ads, and here you can see your achievements and the bonus that you can get if you watch the 50 ads. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the recent ads added for you to watch and the money you can earn. Stay tuned until the end, and I will show you a bonus trick to earn 10 times more money than others. Now the step number 2 is to earn money watching Google ads. I want you to click where it says earn, and from the different earning methods, select the view ads option from there. And that's going to take you to this page where you can watch paid Google website ads and make money watching them. But it is a bit complicated, so pay close attention to this step. As you can see, paid ads require and consume your BAP points. You can find your BAP points here on top, so your new account will get 100 BAP points as a sign-up bonus. And you can see that you will receive paid ads daily until all your BAP is consumed. But there is a solution to this. You can view all these activation ads and earn BAP points daily from here. The more BAP points you accumulate, the higher value ads you will get on your account. So for example, in the starting, you might see 1-cent ads or 5-cent ads on your account. But as you accumulate more and more points, you may see ads that will pay you over 20 cents, over 30 cents, and even over 80 cents for watching 30 seconds of Google ads. And if you get to earn 80 cents in 30 seconds, you can earn $1.60 every minute watching these Google website ads. Now, if you watch any of these 8 activation ads, you will earn 5 BAP points for each of them. And in total, you will get 40 BAP points for watching all these ads. So let's click where it says view activation ad, and that's going to show you a Google website ad. To successfully earn BAP points, you need to click on the specific icon from here that is mentioned above in this box. So let me select the mentioned icon and click on the confirm button next to it. Then the countdown will start, which is generally 5 seconds to 15 seconds long. And once the countdown hits 0, you will be credited with the 5 BAP points. Now you can close this Google website ad window, and you will be taken back to your PTC Share paid ads page. Now to earn all these remaining 35 BAP points in one go, let's click on this button again, and that's going to show you another Google website ad. You just need to select the icon mentioned above, so let's select it and click confirm from there. The countdown will start, so just wait for it. Once the countdown hits 0, you will credit it with 5 BAP points. And now, instead of clicking on close window, you can just select the next ad button from here, and that's going to show you the next Google website ad. Now just repeat the process, and you will be able to earn all 40 BAP points in one go. Once you have earned all the 40 BAP points, the step number 3 is to start earning money watching Google ads. And for this, you need to focus on where it says view paid ads and earn section right here. As you can see, you can earn $1.66 for watching a paid Google website ad, over $1.20 for watching a second Google ad, over 80 cents for watching a third ad, and so on. And you can earn a total of over $6.86 for watching all of these 12 paid Google ads. But don't get this wrong, you won't get paid these high amounts per ad on your brand new account. This is my old account on PTC Share, and I have already accumulated a ton of BP points here before. And as I showed you earlier, the more BP points you accumulate, the higher value ads you will attract. But in the beginning, you may expect to earn 10 cents, 8 cents, or just 1 cent per Google ad you watch depending on your country. So let's click where it says view paid ad, and that's going to take you to the Google website ad. Now here again, you just need to select the icon mentioned in the above box. So let's select the icon from here and just click confirm to proceed. The countdown will start, which will be generally 5 seconds to 15 seconds long. After that, you will be credited with the cash in your account, and now you can either close the window, or if you want, you can view the next Google ad from here and earn all the $6.86 in the one go. And you can earn 40 BP points and over $6 every day by watching Google website ads on PTC Share. Not only that, if you want, you can earn some extra $10 to $20 a day by completing these offers shown here. As you can see, if you complete this offer here, you will get paid $7.20 for completing it. Now the first bonus tip to 10x your earnings is click on the earn section again, and you can see some other make money online methods available on this website, such such as completing different offers, complete surveys, watching videos, and so on. But today, we want to earn money by watching Google ads. So I want you to select the click grid method, and you will be taken to this page where you can see the grid of 100 squares. And here you can win up to $10 or 100,000 BAP points that will help you to get high-paying Google ads on your account. Not only that, whenever you will click on these squares, you will be shown some Google website ads, and you may be credited with some cash or with some BP points each time you click on the grid. But the thing is that you get only 20 chances per day to click on this grid, and sometimes you won't be credited with anything when you click on it. So let me show you an example of how that works. So let's click on any of the square. For example, let me click on this square right here. That's going to take you to the Google website ad, just like the previous ones I showed you before. Now here again, first of all, you need to click the icon mentioned above. So let's select the icon and click confirm. The countdown will start, and the countdown will be 5 seconds to 15 seconds long. After that, you will be either credited with some cash, some BAP points, or sometimes you may not be credited at all. So once the countdown hits 0, you can click on play again, and you will be taken back to the grid. Just like that, you can click on the grid 19 more times and win up to $10 or 100,000 BAP points. And if you want to earn even more money, you can select the games option from above, and you will be taken to this games page. Here you can find different games to play, but one important thing is that you need to spend some of your BAP points to play these games. And these games will help you to double your BAP points. So for example, coin flip game require you to spend a minimum of 25 BAP points to play this game. And if you win, you will get double of 25 points, which means you will get 50 BAP points. But if you lose, you will lose your 25 BAP points. Just like this, there is a compound box game where you just need to spend 10 BAP points, and you can earn double of it. Now the money you will earn on ptcshare watching Google ads will depend highly on your country. So if you are from top tier country like USA or New Zealand, you will get paid more amount of money per Google ad you watch. Whereas if you are from tier 3 countries, you will get paid comparatively less amount of money per ad you watch. And for this, the second bonus tip to earn 10 times more money than others is that you can use any free VPN Chrome extension on your Google Chrome browser, which will help you to get high-paying ads on your account soon. At least you may start to get 10 cents Google ads to watch and earn money, but still in your brand new account, you may see less paying Google ads to watch. And once you earn at least $1 on ptcshare, the step number 4 is you can withdraw your earnings through Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Unfortunately, ptcshare doesn't have the PayPal payment withdrawal method, but you can use Payeer instead, because Payeer is available in almost all countries around the world, and you can easily withdraw your earnings using Payeer. Now you can't expect to make millions of dollars from these websites, but you can expect to earn some bucks from them. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from this website, then help me get over 3,000 likes on this video.